And today we're going to be making an adrenal cocktail. We could have did better. We could have did better on the aesthetic. We could have made it look cuter. We're giving it a 6. Hey guys, welcome back to the Healing Intention page. My name is Marissa, and today we're going to be making an adrenal cocktail. Here on this page, you can expect tips for holistic health. Personally, it's a goal of mine to just get better in all areas of life. And that's just the journey that I'm on right now. But if you are also on the same journey, like trying to be a better person and just wanting to be better in all ways, mentally, spiritually, physically, health-wise, then you should follow this page, because I'm going to be making content like that because that's just what I want to share. And if you like that, then you should go ahead and subscribe. Thanks. So today we're making an adrenal cocktail. I've never made this recipe before, but I'm interested in trying it and telling you guys what I think about it. So your adrenal glands are glands that sit right above your kidneys, and they're responsible for regulating blood pressure, regulating your metabolism, also the hormones that are responsible for your stress responses, and supporting your immune system. These adrenal glands can be overworked, because if you're having a lot of stress in your life and your adrenal glands are working hard to respond to all these incoming stressors, then your adrenal glands can get worn out. They can get tired. They can get just overused. So if you're having like a lot of stress in your life, then it's a good idea to replenish your body in a way to support these adrenal glands so that they can continue to function properly and you don't get just worn out and fatigued. So yeah, that's basically what this cocktail is for, to help support your adrenal glands, which are often overworked. If you are stressed out, then you probably need this drink. So this recipe is very simple. You need 2 oranges, some sea salt. I got the natural sea salt because I'm fancy. And then some coconut water. I really don't like the way coconut water tastes, but I've been drinking it more lately and I'm actually starting to like it. It doesn't taste like too bad. And it has a lot of like potassium in it. Well, not a lot, it has 10%, but better than nothing. And it has a little bit of calcium in it. And yeah, they have the essential minerals and nutrients needed to help support your body and help support your adrenal glands. So I'm excited to start. The first thing we need to do is make these oranges into orange juice. You could just go and buy some orange juice, but I honestly feel like it's better to just get some oranges and make fresh orange juice. I don't have a juicer, but I have a blender that I'm gonna use. So this is how we're gonna do it. have it. Now let's play a game called Rate This Remedy. We're gonna rate this on a scale of 1 to 10 for taste, effectiveness, aesthetic, and simplicity. So for the taste, I definitely recommend the ice. For the taste, I'm gonna give it a 7. Yeah, it's pretty good. It doesn't taste bad, and it's like refreshing. So yeah, I'm gonna give the taste a 7. Let me write that down. No cheating. Effectiveness, I can already feel like my energy like uplifting, and I feel like stress. Sometimes I hold stress right here. I feel like stress right here is being relieved. So yeah, effectiveness, let's give it a 7 too, actually. I'm feeling 7, yeah. Aesthetic, this is a real orange color. No dyes, no like artificial coloring. Like, this is real orange color. And if you put like an orange slice right here, it'll be so much cuter. Or like a cuter glass. So I'll give the aesthetic a 6. We could have did better. We could have did better on the aesthetic. We could have made it look cuter. We're giving it a 6. Okay. Simplicity. This recipe was easy to make. Like, all you need is salt, orange juice, and some coconut water. I made it kind of difficult because I was making fresh orange juice, like from oranges. But you could just buy orange juice. That would probably make it less difficult to make. So I will give the simplicity. I feel like it was pretty simple. It wasn't like a complicated thing to do. So I'll give it an 8. So for taste, we rated it a 7. For effectiveness, we rated it a 7. For aesthetic, we rated it a 6. And for simplicity, we rated it an 8. Divide that by 4. So I rate this adrenal cocktail a 7. In my book, yes, this is a 7 right here. And I would really love it if you guys try this remedy and rate it yourselves, and write the comment down below so I can see what you guys think about it too. But thank you guys for coming and watching me, do things I do. And if you guys like this channel, then you should subscribe. And yes, I hope you guys have a great day or night or whatever. Have a great life. Okay.